Hunt for mysterious Planet 9 offers up a surprise. Tyrone Bowman live. Let's talk about it according to AFP/HO. It's an evocative idea that has long bedeviled scientists. Pardon me. It's an evocative. It's an evocative idea that has long bedeviled scientists. A huge and mysterious planet that is lurking in the darkness at the edge of our solar system, evading all our efforts to spot it. Some astronomers say the strange clustered orbits of icy rocks beyond Neptune indicate that something big is out there, which they have dubbed Planet 9. Now, the US-based trio hunting this elusive world has instead stumbled on what appears to be a new dwarf planet in the solar system's outer reaches. And the existence of this new kind, or this new kid on the block, could challenge the Planet 9 theory the researchers have calculated. Named 2017 OF201, the new object is roughly 700 kilometers or 430 miles across, according to a pre-study, which has not been previewed, published online last week. That makes it 3 times smaller than Pluto, but that is still big enough to be considered a dwarf planet. Lead study author Shahalo Cheng of New Jersey's Institute for Advanced Study told AFP, the object is currently 3 times further away from Earth than Neptune, and its extremely elongated orbit swings out more than 1,600 times the distance between the Earth and the Sun, taking it into the ring of icy rocks around the solar system called the Oort cloud. It goes so far out it could have passed by stars other than our Sun, or it goes so far out it could have passed by stars so other than our Sun in the past, Chung said. During its 25,000-year orbit, the object is only close enough to Earth to be observed around 0.5% of the time, which is roughly a century. It's already getting fainter and fainter, Ching said. Discovery suggests there are many hundreds of similar things on similar orbits in the Kuiper belt beyond Neptune, Chung said. After taking a risk, spending more than half a year sorting through a difficult data set in search of Planet 9, Ching said he was lucky to have found anything at all. The researchers are requesting time to point the James Webb Hubble and ALMA telescopes at the discovery. But Sam Dean, a 23-year-old amateur astronomer from California, has already been able to track the dwarf planet candidate through old data sets. OF201 is, in my opinion, probably one of the most interesting discoveries in the outer solar system in the last decade, Dean told AFP. So what about Planet 9? The icy rocks discovered in the Kuiper belt tend to have a clustered orbit going in a particular direction. 2 decades ago, astronomers proposed this was due to the gravitational pull of a world up to 10 times larger than Earth, naming it Planet 9 and kicking off a debate that has rumbled since. It is sometimes called Planet X, a name proposed for a hypothetical world beyond Neptune more than a century ago. Back in the 1930s, astronomers were searching for Planet X when they discovered Pluto, which became our solar system's 9th planet. But Pluto turned out to be too tiny. It is smaller than the Moon and was demoted to dwarf planet status in 2006. There are now 4 other officially recognized dwarf planets Chung believes between 2017 OF201 could join their ranks. When the researchers modeled its orbit, they found it did not follow the cluster trend of similar objects. This could pose a problem for the Planet 9 theory, but Chung emphasized more data is needed. Samantha Lawler of Canada's University of Virginia told AFP that this is great discovery and others like it mean that the original argument for Planet Nine is getting weaker and weaker. The Virgin Rubin Observatory, which is scheduled to go online in Chile this year, is expected to shed light on this mystery one way or another. Dean said it was discouraging that no sign of Planet Nine has been found so far, but with Vera Rubin on the horizon, I don't think we'll ever have to wonder about its existence for much longer. For Xing, he still hopes that this huge planet is out there somewhere. Quote, we're in an era when big telescopes can see almost to the edge of the universe. But what is in our backyard still largely remains unknown. Close quote, he added. Tyrone Bowman, never surrender, never quit.